Today we are making cold natto soba. Cold soba noodles are topped with natto, fermented soybeans, grated nanaimo, okura, and egg yolk. All the toppings have slimy texture and coat the surface of the noodles like thick sauce. Complete recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Cook dried soba noodles according to the package. Strain, wash under running water and cool, then strain well. Set aside. Thinly slice green onion. Peel and grate nanaimo yam. Nanaimo is commonly used in East Asia, so you may be able to find it if you have an Asian market nearby. Blanch okra and cut into half-inch length. Next, we stir natto. We are using 1 packet per serving. You can eat the natto as is, but by stirring using chopsticks like this, the texture becomes lighter and fluffier. Make the sauce by mixing water and mentsuyu sauce, homemade or store-bought. You can watch the mentsuyu recipe video if you haven't already. On a serving dish, place cooked soba noodles and top with natto, grated yam, okra, green onions, and egg yolk. Pour the mentsuyu sauce and sprinkle shredded nori on top. You can mix the topping, noodles, and sauce as you eat. Natto is an acquired taste, but if you already like it, you will enjoy this healthy and delicious noodle dish.
美味しい。美味しいね。